You've gotten through the entire process to buy your home. You're ready to get that house closed. What do you need to bring? Let's talk about closing documents today. Woo-hoo! Come on in, have a seat. Ben Weaver here, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home through the Chicago and the suburbs. With me as always is Adam Carr, who's still wondering why our prompter isn't working just right.
Oh, I'm right in the shop, my bad.
Oh,
my bad, plug it out.
Don't worry, we'll just free flow. I don't need a teleprompter. We'll go improv. And today, we'll talk about what a buyer needs to do to bring that closing, finalize the closing. Oh, okay, never mind. We need the telephone. Start over. We're going to break down the closing docs into 3 different categories: lender docs, seller docs, and title company docs. Let's start at the top with the lender docs. Lender docs represent the majority of the paperwork you'll be dealing with if you secure a loan. First, you'll have the closing disclosure, which includes the lender's statement and all the figures for the closing. This is the official paperwork that makes sure all the parties agree how much the loan will be for and how much the house will be sold at. You'll also sign the official mortgage paperwork, which officially allows you to borrow that money. You also sign the note, which is the IOU letter between the buyer and the bank. And these documents are all fairly common between all the lenders. After attending countless closings, I've seen lenders that make you sign a few pieces of paper, and I've seen lenders that have a whole stack full of documents for you. One reason you'll want to retain an attorney is that an attorney can break down all these documents you'll be signing and help you understand what they mean for you, breaking down the legalese into normal people speak. That's what we do. And it helps ease your mind and speeds up that closing process that we all know can be a bit daunting. So that covers the lender docs. On to the seller docs. Seller docs? Aren't we the buyer? Well, yes, but we still call these the seller docs, so just follow along. First, we'll review the deed. That's the official document that shows you're now the owner of that new house. And we'll also review the bill of sale. Bill of sale transfers ownership of any personal property attached to the house, like the refrigerator and the furnace, for instance, from the seller over to you. Once again, there are more documents we may need to review and sign that can differ from purchase to purchase, and once again, an attorney will clear all of that up for you. That's it for the seller docs, so we really only have one more set of documents to cover, and those are the title company docs. But in short, these cover an insurance policy on the property and make sure there are no hidden fees or ownership claims on the house. So what do you, the buyer, need to bring? We'll need a driver's license or form of ID and the method of payment. The method of delivery on that payment depends on the sale amount and can vary from purchase to purchase. Just another good reason to have an attorney to guide you through the process. Yes, closing can for sure be a lot to take in, and undoubtedly there is some stress that comes with the process of signing mounds of legally binding paperwork. Experienced attorneys, like this handsome guy, can help explain what every document you're signing is, and what you're committing to, and what we need to sign. And most importantly, do not hesitate to ask any questions that you may have in the closing process. Have you recently closed on a house? How was the closing like? Leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear about it. Like the video if you found this helpful, and please subscribe for more content about real estate law in Illinois. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.